Guys, what's up? There's been a tornado blowing at 1 p.m. in the morning, which I'm packed up. As I go this here, I'm going in here, running. I'm gonna go to the laundry room right here. So here, going in there. In there. But then we're gonna guys, I'm waking up. I'm going to run into that place because this is my fifth or fourth time doing tornado. We slept through it, but my hit close to our neighborhood, neighborhood, Springfield neighborhood. I don't even know what our neighborhood is called.
I think it's weird too.
I'm so scared. Hey Mom, how much times have I been in a tornado? Okay. It's the older video, and I'm the main character because I make the videos. So I know I'm changing our YouTube face because I want my brother to get it because he was only on one video. I feel like he's left out. You don't see my dad. He broke his ankle. Now he can't walk. Yeah, he can't walk. But when he broke his ankle, he hurt it so bad. Okay, so peace, guys.